What's up, YouTube? If you want to see how I got this hairstyle, keep watching. What's up, you guys? So I put my hair, basically, it's in a bun now. I just braided it up, the sections, to stretch it, to make it easier. You don't have to do this, but if you have 4C hair, it makes it so much easier and faster. So I slept overnight like this. The only reason it's in a bun now is because I went on a walk. But I'm gonna do the back, and then once I'm done with the back, I'll record in detail how I do the front. So yeah. What's up, guys? I'm basically done. I just had this when I'm like legit done. This is the hair. I'm like in love with this hair right now. I'll show you the pack in a second, or I don't know, maybe I put in the beginning of the video. Who knows? But yeah. Oh, shit. Sorry if it sounds like I'm talking low. I'm also babysitting, so yeah. My baby brother is asleep in my bed right now. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I braid my hair. I feel like this way is super simple. So if this is your first time ever braiding, this video is like legit perfect for you. So okay, first obviously, you gotta get your hair. I'm doing like medium jumbo, so yeah. As much hair as you get depends on how big you want your braids. I want my braids like jumbo, but not too jumbo because my head will be heavy. So yeah. So the first thing I do is I keep it in 2 pieces, okay? Keep the hair in 2 pieces, make sure it's even all the way down. You see it's rubber band. You literally just go up above the rubber band and wrap it. So just tie, and then literally you just start to braid. That's it. If it gets tangled, that's fine. Just pull it through. Pull it through. This hair is actually great. See? Super simple, but I'll show you again. And then before I finish braiding, I take a piece of this hair. I don't know if you can see, but I'm taking a piece of this hair and I'm going to put it behind this finger with this hair. So just like that, okay? You see, so now I have a piece there, and then I just continue to braid. Now, if you have like 444C hair and you don't mind putting product and stuff on your hair, I'd say put some edge control at the end to make it tuck. But when I get to the end, I just stay as tight as I possibly can, and normally that's fine. I don't like putting a lot of product on my hair because like flakes, or I don't know, I haven't found anything I just love. And so now I'm just going to continue to braid all the way down. It's literally as simple as that. And don't get discouraged if like you do it the first time and you don't get it. It's gonna take like, I've been braiding my hair since I was in middle school, so yeah, I'm 19 now, so I was braiding since I was 12 years. And trust me, it was not looking cute when I first started. But you know, it's okay. This is super simple. Practice makes perfect. I would suggest starting off with bigger braids. Or no, because you can see the mistakes in bigger braids, so that's a lie. Do smaller braids, because if you do smaller braids, you do smaller sections. Can't really see the mistakes. And then you guys know those little clippy things, like the accessories for braids? I'll show you at the end of the video. Those are great for hiding mistakes. Like if you have like, you know, different hair texture and you're braiding hair. Like for example, if I didn't want the black showing, I would just put a clip right there. You feel me? So yeah. It's always a solution. I'm just going to braid it all the way down. I seal my ends with hot water. When I first started braiding hair, I'm like scared of fire, so I didn't use a lighter. That's another way you could do it. I used a flat iron. So yeah, if you don't mind using it, it wipes right off when you're done with like a towel. Just use a flat iron. But yeah, I'll show you how to do another braid right now. Well, I'm going to braid the rest of it. Well, yeah, I'll show you because this side is better. This took me, probably would take me like 2 hours. The only reason why it's been taking me longer is because, like I said, I've been babysitting, so I've been on and off. But if I legit was just doing it, it would take like 2 hours. Only because it's very big sections, so super easy. And I also sectioned my hair and stretched it last night, so that makes it go by way faster too. Yeah. So again, I'm just sectioning how much hair I want on my braid. Always get more. Okay. So boom. I just kind of do like this, so like if any pieces come out, I can take it out now. If not, it's gonna get tangled later. Okay. So again, wrap it, just go under, cross it, and then literally just braid. That's it. That's all you gotta do. You feel me? And then right before I get to the end of my hair, I take a piece, put it under my finger. You see it? Under my finger, and then continue to braid. And then if you wanted to put like the gel in your hair, I'd put it now and then continue. So like have one hand holding and then I add, you know, because obviously this is about to get littler because it doesn't have my hair in it anymore. I add some more hair, just like the way I added it to my hair. So yeah. And then yeah, I'll braid it on the way down. Super simple. I'm in love with these. I haven't done my hair with jumbo braids before. Where I've had jumbo, but they were like huge. I didn't like it. So these are like medium, and I'm actually like really feeling it. And I haven't done this before. So yeah, I like it. A lot. My brother's waking up. And I didn't braid it. I almost braided it all the way down, but since this hair is like perfect, this hair is pre-stretched and everything, so literally I don't have to. I just kind of go all the way down because I'm gonna seal it with hot water, boiling water. So actually, when I finish, I'm gonna do 2 more braids and then I'm gonna go put it on the stove, or you could put it in the microwave. It doesn't matter. Like 5 minutes in the microwave, or you could put it in a little pot or whatever. Makes your life easiest. I think boiling is the best in my opinion because I don't like the way it looks when it's burnt. Whether it's flat iron or fire, it looks like, one, it feels hard, it smells gross because you're burning synthetic hair. So, I mean, if that's your preference, then go for it, but I prefer boiling. So yeah, I'm gonna finish the rest of this row and then I'll come back and show you guys how I sew the end. Alright guys, so I have finished my hair, as you see. Yep. So now I'm just gonna dip it in hot, like hot boiling water. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. I would suggest having like 2 towels, like one on the ground because it's gonna like drip, you feel me? Let's see. Alrighty, so let's get popping. So I got this towel here because that's gonna dry my hair. This is my water. I put it in a cup like this because it's literally like so much easier if you do that, because then it just gets all the parts that you need sealed. I'll put this one on the floor so that my rug isn't soaking wet. And be careful, y'all. This stuff is hot. Like, you could really burn yourself if you're not careful. So be careful. Alright, where am I gonna put y'all? Alright, y'all can kind of see me. So, I'm gonna just do half. Alright, so I'm just gonna do half. I'm gonna get my towel ready. Alright, so And then I'm just gonna hold it there for like 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm gonna get my towel. I was not prepared. Hashtag don't be like me. Alright, so I'm gonna get it like this. I'm going to put my hair over the sink so it drips in the sink. You see? I don't know if you can see, but my hair is literally steaming. So yeah, I'm gonna want to get all dead. And then I go like this because I want it to be like straight. Be careful because it's gonna be hot. It's hot. But that also takes out some of the stiffness because you saw my hair was looking very, very stiff. This also helps that too. I love this hair, y'all. This is my first time using this and I'm like, I love it. I normally use expression. Like I normally like live by that here. Alright, so this is what it looks like afterwards. So you see this side? Oh, here, look, let me show you. Alright, so this is after I dip it versus this side, which is all stiff. See that? And my ends look way better. They're wet right now. He wanted to make it. Say hi, YouTube. You want to be in the video? Say hi. Say like and subscribe. I ain't important. But okay, so I'm gonna finish doing my other side and then, yeah. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe. Oh, actually, JK, I'll be back because I'm gonna show you the hair I use.